Unlock the power of email marketing and watch your business soar with Mailerlite. First things first, let's dive into creating your very first campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side and click the Create Campaign button. You'll have several options, but for now, let's focus on a regular email. Give your campaign a name, something that clearly identifies its purpose. Next, you'll choose your subscribers by selecting the list you want to send to. Craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention and ensures your email gets opened. Then, fill in your sender name and email address. This is crucial for deliverability and building trust. Now, the fun part: designing your email content. Mailerlite's drag-and-drop editor makes designing beautiful emails a breeze. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Simply drag content blocks like text, images, buttons, and dividers into your email. Customize the fonts, colors, and layouts to perfectly match your brand's identity. You can even add a call to action button that links directly to your website or a specific product page. Managing your subscribers effectively is key to successful email marketing. Head over to the subscribers section. Here, you can import new subscribers, organize them into groups, and even create segments based on specific criteria like engagement or purchase history. This allows you to send targeted emails to the right people, increasing relevance and conversions. Automating your email marketing saves you time and nurtures leads effortlessly. Go to the automation section. You can set up automated workflows triggered by specific actions, such as a new subscriber joining your list. For example, you can create a welcome automation that automatically sends a series of emails introducing your brand and offering a special discount. Finally, let's talk about understanding your campaign performance. Once you've sent your emails, head to the report section. Here you'll find valuable insights into your campaign's success, including open rates, click-through rates, bounces, and unsubscribes. Analyze these metrics to understand what resonates with your audience and optimize future campaigns for even better results. Ready to elevate your marketing? Start your free trial with Mailerlite today and experience the difference.